Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today we are doing a macrame feather. So this is super cute. It comes in a kit from the Dollar Tree. However, you don't need to have the kit. They sell these all the time. I bought it quite a bit ago, but we can follow the instructions, and I just want to show you how to make this macrame feather, and you can make it on anything you want. So you could do this on a key ring. You can make, something, a little decor to accent a plant. So many things you can do. So these little macrame hoops, they do sell in packages at the Dollar Tree. So you can get a package, depending on the size, of several in it for $1.25. You can use whatever string, or you could even buy, bigger macrame hoops. Lots of things that you can use to bake these on. So we're just going to learn how to make the feather. So as you can see, you first, just go, through your little hoop, and then, cut it to size, whatever size you want it to be. Now you're going to have your two strings going down the middle, and then you're going to, each loop is going to take two more strings. So you want them to be about even width, and in the end you're going to trim it up. So make sure that you make it a little longer than what you want it to be. So as you can see, you're going to just loop it, put one loop underneath. Now you're going to make another loop, and inside the loop part you're going to do the two little legs, and then you're going to take the legs of this loop and stick it in the other loop and just pull it. Pull it nice and tight, and then you're going to just push your pieces up as you go. One of the things that I realized, the instructions do not tell you that on the little legs that are left to add knots, but I would suggest you do, because you don't want your little pieces just sliding down, which is what started to happen to me. And then after you make it as long as you want it to be, unravel your string, whether it's yarn or string or whatever, you unravel it and get it all nice and unraveled. Take a comb and comb it out, make it nice and fuzzy, and then take a pair of scissors and just trim it to be the size that you want it to be. It's super easy. Again, you can, use string, yarn, whatever you want to do. You can make these as big or as small as you want to, and it is a really, really cute idea. So again, you could find the kit at the Dollar Tree, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. I was just using the kit for the instructions. So this is otherwise pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let it play through. I'll throw in some music and let you see it finished, put together, and I hope it's helpful. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.